Who do you think have the most loyal fan base in dancehall music? Drop who you think has the worst fans before I reveal it. Okay, so we all know dancehall music is built on clashes, right? For example,
no perplex them gun city and our nation we go down. Oh God, have mercy, bad man wicked every time. Sting, mix this, sting. People dead from early out when me pop off. Have your head back, let's wonder.
it's built on rivalry, but there is one fan base that took the concept of supporting your artist and turned it into something entirely cult-like. Something almost religious and sometimes very, very dangerous. Welcome back to Yaad Vibez, where the 10% of common sense people meet up. Today, we are touching the third rail.
Me just a touch the thing.
Yo, big shock, man. Me hand them a shake.
We are talking about the most intense, arguable, the most toxic, but undeniable, the most powerful force in dancehall history. The Gaza nation.
Gaza! 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 Gaza!
Yeah, bless up Gaza nation. You know badness though. One world boss. Down? Oh.
The disciples of Adidja Palmer aka Vybz Kartel. Are they the worst fans in dancehall genre? Are they the only thing keeping the culture alive? Let's argue. To understand why the Gaza fans get the title of the worst, you have to go back to the mid-2000s, the Gullies versus Gaza war. This wasn't just Twitter fingers. This was a real-life Kartel the teacher cultivated an image that resonated deeply with disenfranchised youths. Here are two examples.
Tattoo time come, all of this space for me skin soon done. If you not have one, go get one, go get one. If you not have one, go get one, go get one. When the tattoo nigga start fi bun, me kill off the pain with street vibes drum. If you not have one, go get one, go get one.
Sick and tired of them attacking you with this bleaching thing.
Nah man, cause you know, the girl them love it, you know, cause them say my skin look cool, you know. Me say, the girl them love off my bleach out face. And it worked.
He wasn't just an artist, he was a leader, and his fans become his army.
Yeah, because I know people are going to buy into it. Remember, you know, people are like sheep, you know, and I am the shepherd, you know. They're easy to lead. And they're easy to lead. It's so easy, it's like, it's hilarious.
The worst aspect of the Gaza nation isn't just enthusiasm, it's the blind, unwavering defense of everything the man does.
Thursday, April 3, 2014, supporters congregate in the precincts of the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston for the sentencing of dancehall artist Vybz Kartel and his 3 co-convicts.
It creates an environment where criticism of Kartel is seen as blasphemy. And we all know his favorite contrarian because them shot him out in a first return concert and his biggest moment.
This 87 Jackie would end up becoming known as Vybz Kartel's favorite gunman. Kill countless people for him. Only in the end, the same Barra make man kill him. And then run retaliation that ultimately led to the Barrington Bossy. Remember the first case for him boss? Before him get convicted for lizard?
People, you have a brother with him, Sir P. Talk about things.
If you were a DJ who didn't play enough Kartel, you were targeted. An artist who threw a subconscious shot.
Cause Gaza are nasty people. And them principle is not up to our level. Yeah. Bleach out, freak out, ungodly, disloyal, man tattoo man, pan them and beat artists, take away half of the youth them money, left them forget held hostage. No, them things don't work on the gully. Them things don't work Alliance Boulevard. So
if you ever dare try anything like that, your social media was uninhabitable for months. It birthed the modern blueprint for toxic stan culture. Long before K-pop, Nicki Minaj or Taylor Swift, fans perfected it. It was a movement that required total submission to the leader.
Gaza! 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 Gaza!
Even when things got dark, and we all know how dark it got.
Dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel and his 3 co-convicts have been sentenced to life in prison for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Kartel is to serve 35 years before he becomes eligible for parole.
It's easy to call them a cult and move on, but if you stop there, you don't understand dancehall, because that same toxicity is also their greatest strength. Why are they the best fans? Because they achieve the impossible.
That the appeals should be allowed and the appellant's convictions should be quashed.
Dancehall DJ Vybz Kartel is free from prison and his murder conviction overturned.
I'm out.
Vybz Kartel has been physically removed from the scene for over a decade. In any other genre, an artist serving a life sentence fades away, gone, everybody forget about him. But the Gaza nation refused to let him die. They became his street team, his PR firm, and his distributors. They stream his music relentlessly, over and over and over. You're sick of hearing it. They kept his name in every conversation. Kartel didn't just build fans, he built believers. He marketed himself as the voice of the ghetto, the anti-hero who the system couldn't break, and his fans repaid that by ensuring that even from behind bars, he remained the undisputed king of dancehall. That level of dedication is unmatched in the history of music. They are the engine that kept the entire dancehall ecosystem revolving around one man who wasn't even there. So, are Vybz Kartel fan the worst in dancehall? If you are an opposing artist or someone trying to have a rational debate about his legal situation, yes, they can be an absolute nightmare, an aggressive, relentless swarm. I have my own experience on this channel, but you are looking at the raw power of fandom, the ability to defy the odds and keep a legacy alive through sheer willpower. They are the best the genre has ever seen. The Gaza nation is a double-edged sword. They can cut down rivals with toxic intensity, but they also carve out an immortal space for their king.
Gaza nation, we are here to crown the legend Adidja Azim Palmer. All hail the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel.
Let's go!
Long live the king of dancehall.
Thank you.
I know the comment section is going to be on fire for this one. If you're Gaza, defend your stance. If you think another fan base is worse, maybe the 6 or the vendetta, the genocide, the Sparta, let me know below. Or if you like this deep dive into the culture, smash up the like button and don't subscribe if you don't have no common sense. Bless up. Peace.